Sit down here, right? 3 visa applications we send to Jamaica. I mean, I tell you so then 3 people are in visa. But me I remember saying last year, me I send invitation letter for one little girl. She's the only person out of the 30 odd people them when me send for Jamaica when I get the visa. I'm going to tell you why.
In Jamaica, you don't know already, man. You have to carry the same energy from Jamaica to foreign, you know. You can't walk around and tell people your business. You have to keep that to yourself. You don't know if you're Jamaican and talk up your mouth about certain things. You might not go through, it might not work out for you. People start burn bad lamb for you and them things. Oh, go on. Greetings and welcome again, my viewers and subscribers. Pick up on yourself. Give thanks for life, health, and strength. Bless upon yourself. In a today video, my people, they don't know, so we have enough Jamaican people are foreign, you know. America, Canada, England, etc. Then, I don't know, you have some of our family them over there, and good friend, relative, people, know people that want their love is enough and then fellow Jamaican forward and come experience certain things and come better themselves and them things, don't it? But you have some when I like to see that, some don't want that. But you can't blame them neither because enough Jamaican people corrupt. Don't try sabotage somebody else glory. It's even not because I like them or I get a bad experience from them. Don't try stop them. You see me? So in today's video, people, we have this lady from Canada. We have write application form or letters. We are sent to a relative them in Jamaica, to people in Jamaica we should know. I have a link with that. You see? But you have some people no want to see that. And for them get the experience to go foreign through others will get over there already. Link. You to me I say, no joke. So watch a clip of my people. I want to leave on the thoughts. Because some Jamaican would want to help some, while some don't want to see some come meet the opportunity for better themselves. And it could be a relative, people you know to. And a stranger fighting, you know, a people where you know you and people you know. Listen to this, my people.
Sit down here, right? 3 visa applications we send to Jamaica. I mean, I tell you so then 3 people are in visa. But me I remember saying last year, me I send invitation letter for one little girl. She's the only person out of the 30 odd people them when me send for Jamaica when I get the visa. I'm going to tell you why. When me I send off the letter for the little girl, one another girl been there when me help from the same district. I saw the 2 of them host there. The little girl when me I sent for fear host there so, and the girl were there with me fear host there so at Jamaica. Then can look in one of the house at Jamaica. She look on the letter and she say, so oh yeah, send for them your people and look from when me ask if it's write invitation letter for me to son them. Me say, I help you to come here. You must find a way to help your children. Set up yourself that you can help your children them to come. And so when me come here, me help myself and then me send for my husband and my children so till me can send for people so till me send for all you. Anyway, she say, my sister will write my invitation, my job letter can write one nice job letter gear. Me said that would be nice because at the time, the job letter where the little girl get, it never sounds so nice. So, me say, that would be good. But I don't have a number for your sister where would I write the letter. Me keep on ask now because she come back to me and she said, our sister say, yes man, then our neighbor will write the letter. Me feel so good. Me tell the little girl feels so good. So she said she not bother with the one that she get from her workplace. You see, all we are wait upon the sister because me not have no number for the sister Jamaica, you know. So we have to go through she. But you see the dirty mind what she have because me never write if you fear pitney them. She said, oh, my sister say she not write the letter again because she a prison worker, she don't want to go to prison. Me say, but at the same letter you use to reach here. As she say one did I go write it for your son them. If me did I do the invitation for your son them. So all your sister fi say a prison work and she not. Yes, they get some people and they gone to prison. Me say nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. It better you say you know want your sister to give our neighbor the letter. I mean, I tell you, say just the little dirty thinking what she have towards the little child coming here, our neighbor coming here. The little girl never get through. Go back again now, you know. Me go show you how people wicked. She come here one time, you know. Come do her hair. So she had tell me one little ism we are going. Cause no know we are Jamaican, we love a little mix up. So me go say to her, say, oh, so that's why me see the mother call me. But a long time she not call me, so it look like she want me to send her one invitation letter. But she take time to break the ice now. Fi ask me, cause she not call me so long. She can't just say to me, say, fi write her one invitation letter. The girl turned to me, you know, and say, so if she asks you that writing, but because me remember what she do with the little girl, me say no. If she asks me, me not write it. Even deep down in myself, you know, me know say me I write that with and after me family member them flying me I write that, but me I wait for she if he asks me. You know say by the morning that happened the night about 10 o'clock. That the conversation all between me and she, and I hope I sit, she sit down here and I tell me about the people let me know. By the next morning, early, and the girl that send me one dirty message from Jamaica and say, me need a beg you no invitation for coming out Canada. So me voice note her back and say, so what that for? Me say, the girl come here and tell me what happened with your son. And me say, oh, that's why the mother called me. And because she fed up, she want to come see what happened to her child for herself. Me say, so comes me get to tell her about the hint about you an invitation letter. And as she asked me, because how she do with the other little girl. Me say, no, but me know in myself say, that you call me for. And anytime you ask me, I go write it quick and fast. But me need not tell she. Because me know she have dirty ways in her. And you not go get through if she know say you go try. And me say the mother have to break down and say, yes, sis, you know, say that me really can't do for ask you, know, but me couldn't just ask you out, so. Me say some people have some dirty thinking, and if they know what you are going to do, they are going to go in front of you and stop the process. Because from me see all that a girl they deal with me, me nobody talk to her. Me make sure say me block her off on my phone. So even if she did still want the letter, me never go give her. Because so she jumped down upon me. And she never asked me. But because that the girl there want block her future, block her from Getty, she make sure so she come, she run go to her, go tell her, say, Sassy, a letter you call her beg and in a give you. But also some people stay there. So when they find a process and then get through on the process, they don't want nobody else to survive. And them want to survive.
I watch every day and listen to it and hear the Empress want to help some Jamaicans, some of fellow Jamaicans and come better themselves and get the experience to come see life over there. And people they run her. But know the people and what she want for help. Who don't want that. She want to stop that and bring vehicle gossip and mix up. You know, me I tell you say mix up thing never work out, you know. Careful like people will love mix up in the works when you come on to you getting the opportunity to go somewhere, you know. In Jamaica you don't know already, man. You have to carry the same energy from Jamaica go foreign, you know. You can't walk around and tell people your business. You have to keep that to yourself. You don't know if you're Jamaican and talk up your mouth about certain things. You might not go through, it might not work out for you. People start born bad lamb for you and them things. You get me? But we're glad to know so we have some Jamaican out there who want help them fellow Jamaican get the opportunity. See, but don't like the fact that we have some bad man corrupted Jamaica on the other side and want to see them people get the chance to come see light or see the other side of the world. Share it to a friend who might experience something like this or who like them type of content. You see me I say, like up the video, man. Show some support, cause it not cost you nothing to like the video and share it out and leave a comment on it. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Give thanks for watching. Banging.